Welcome to Shanti Ghosh Academy. This video will be very interesting using graphics, various pictures and day-to-day live examples. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. The topic: fundamental and derived physical quantities, their units with examples. What are physical quantities and their examples? A physical quantity is a quantity in physics that can be measured, thus a physical property that can be quantified. In our real world, there are various physical quantities and we experience every day. Examples of physical quantities are mass, amount of substance, length, time, temperature, electric current, light intensity, force, velocity, density and many others. Now, it is most important that whatever we measured, that should be expressed so that others will know, and it is very vital and important. The value obtained on measuring a quantity is called its magnitude. The magnitude of a quantity is expressed in numbers and in its unit. Example like length. We tell 20 centimeter or 5 feet or 10 kilometer like that, or 100 kilometer distance. Now first thing is the numbers, then is the unit. It is centimeter, feet or kilometer is the unit. Mass like 10 gram, 5 pounds or 2 kgs. Time we tell 10 seconds, 5 minutes, 1 hour like that. Temperature 100 degrees C, 60 degree Fahrenheit, 270 degree Kelvin. In current, electric current 5 amps. So 5 is the number and amps is the unit. Now whatever physical quantities are there are two broad quantities. One is fundamental quantities. Examples are length, mass, time. Common examples: derived quantities, volume, speed, density. So derived quantities basically comes from the various fundamental quantities. Now, what is fundamental physical quantity? We should be very clear in our concept, so it will be very easy to differentiate between the fundamental physical quantities and derived quantities. You know the definition: any physical quantity can be measured and expressed in terms of magnitude and a unit. The physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurements are known as fundamental quantities or base quantities. Most commonly used fundamental physical quantities are length, mass, time. Day to day, every time you use all these things. Let us say, what is the height? What is your height? So expressed in feet. What is the distance? Expressed in kilometer, meter, like that. Mass, either use grams, 250 grams, 100 grams, like that, kg or pound. Time, we use seconds, minutes, hour, like 5 seconds, 10 minutes, 2 hours. So it is basically a number and it units, and there are various unit systems. Now, what is derived quantities and their examples? Now, physical quantities that are derived from one or more fundamental physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. Examples are area, volume, speed, density. So basically all these derived quantities, it is derived from the fundamental quantities, like area, length into breadth. So it is length into length, so unit is centimeter square. Volume, length, breadth and height, so it is centimeter cube. Speed is basically distance divided by time, so centimeter per second. Density, basically mass by volume, so gram per cc or kg per meter cube, like that. Now there are 7 fundamental quantities. Length, in SI system it is a meter, unit is meter. Mass is kilogram. Time expressed in seconds. Electric current, ampere. Thermodynamic temperature, Kelvin. Amount of substance, mole. Luminous intensity, it is candela. Now you will get clear idea and we will find the difference between fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities, as explained, the examples are length, mass, time. So length, that is various unit systems, it's expressed in meter, feet or centimeter. Mass, it's a gram, pound or kg. Time, second, minute, hour, like that. Now volume, length cube, so expressed in cubic centimeter or cubic feet or cubic meter. Speed, distance divided by time, that is length by time, so meter per second or feet per second. Density, mass by volume. Mass is, let's say, gram per cc or kg per cubic meter. Now there are various measuring instruments to measure the fundamental quantities, like length. You can use scale, you can use measuring tapes. In mass, you can use balance, electronic balance. Time, clock, watch, like that. Now electric current, amperage meter or tongue tester. Temperature, day-to-day use, when you are having a fever, use thermometer. There are various industrial thermometers to measure high temperature. There are various gauges. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. Thank you.